Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Ellen. It's time for the Olympics. Oh, I just love them. Next to football, the Olympics are my other favorite sport. From gymnastics to basketball to track and field, all of them. It is fantastic. So in honor of them, I'm going to share with all of y'all a summer berry pizza. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. Be loaded with fresh strawberries and blueberries on a sugar cookie crust. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And this dessert would be perfect to make anytime during the summer. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Fresh Blueberry Cobbler. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your blueberries, and your cookie dough sugar, because we're about to make some summer berry pizza magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our crust, and I'm using my homemade sugar cookie dough. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, or you can use a store-bought sugar cookie dough. So we're going to dust the dough with some flour and my rolling pin, and we're just going to roll the dough to about a 1/2 inch thick. Alrighty, I am through rolling out my dough, so now we're going to gently place it onto my rolling pan. And we're going to put it on my 10-inch pizza pan, and I spread it generously with cooking spray. And it's alright if it breaks apart. And using my fingers, we're just going to press the dough down evenly on the bottom of the pan, within a 1/2 inch of the edge. Alright, now we're going to place our cookie dough crust in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for about 16 minutes. Alright, my friends, I have taken my crust out of the oven. And it smells amazing. See how nice and golden brown that is? So now we're going to let the crust cool completely. And while this cooling, let's make our cream cheese filling. In my large bowl, I have a 1/8 ounce carton of cream cheese spread at room temperature. And into our cream cheese spread, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of powdered sugar that I sifted, or you can whisk it. 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful, of pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And we're going to mix all these together on medium speed until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our cream cheese filling is complete. So now I'm going to set this aside while I get my berries. Over here on my cutting board, I have my fresh strawberries, and I'm using a pint, and I rinsed them. We're going to slice them and remove the tops. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my strawberries, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through slicing my strawberries, and I have a pint of fresh blueberries. I also rinsed them and removed the bad ones. And our sugar cookie crust is nice and cooled. We're ready to build the pizza. So we're going to start with the cream cheese filling. We're going to pour it on top of the crust. And we're just going to spread it all over, like so. Alrighty, now we're going to add on our sliced strawberries all around. All right, I've got all my strawberries on. Now I'm going to add the blueberries right in the middle. Okay, and last but not least, I have a third of a cup of strawberry preserves, or you can use strawberry jam, and I put it in the microwave and let it melt for about 30 seconds. It's going to give our pizza a little shine, and we're just going to spread it on top of the berries. All right, my friends, our pizza is complete. But there's one more thing we got to do. We're going to place it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Summer berry pizza. Doesn't that look good and patriotic? So now it's ready to serve. I'm about to cut me up a slice and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The crust is perfectly cooked. It's nice and soft with a little crisp. And the berries is juicy and sweet. And that cream cheese filling is amazing. This summer berry pizza definitely screams summer. It is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Summer berry pizza-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and go Team USA!